Hi guys, so now we're gonna eat Jollibee first time. Not like my first time, but first time ever when we arrived in the Philippines. I'm so excited. And I got 2 chickens, 1 rice. Also, my husband, 2 chickens, 1 rice, spicy. And then just the normal big Coke and then the regular Coke. That's it. And then 2 extra large we got here. So excited. How do you like Jollibee though?
Spicy.
You like it?
I like it.
Let me see. Describe it. Describe it. Is it crispy or bony? But you like it?
Very spicy, and I remember.
Okay, now we eat. Bye. Say bye. 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 A comment also if it's funny.
What are you eating, Em?
It's the bones now. What? Why so near my face?
Because I want the taste of your mouth along.
No, not near. What are you doing?
Reading your fucking face.
I really, okay, when I was in Denmark, right, I've really been looking forward to Jollibee. I was even thinking
The proud Pinoy eating your lippy with gravy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop.
Can you say F?
Tokyo.
Martin boy, you're so annoying now. You're annoying me. I was very happy I was eating this and then all your bad comments.
I was also happy by eating this.
Cannot eat anymore. What are we gonna do today? After this?
We gotta go to your sister. So this for now. Bye bye.